Hey guys, it's Mr. Dimitri. Just wanted to send you a quick video addressing the issue with the College Board emails that some of you have been getting and some of you have not been getting. So I've contacted College Board and spoken to a few other teachers, and it seems like this is pretty common, that some students are getting emails from College Board and some aren't. And just want to go over the easiest possible fix for this that we've kind of discovered that could be causing it. So it's pretty basic. Many of you, when you set up your College Board accounts, may have chosen to not receive notifications from the College Board, and the belief is that that's what might be causing it. So I did that Survey Monkey. I've gotten 18 responses from you guys, and I've got 6 of you out of the 18 who replied said you have not gotten any emails from the College Board. So you definitely want to check, make sure it's not in your spam or your junk folder. But if it's not, and you got nothing in there, then we'll try this quick fix and see if that's able to solve the problem. I do also see that all 18 of you that replied to the Survey Monkey I texted out yesterday did say you could access the College Board website, so you should be good to be able to do this quick fix if not. So you're going to go to thecollegeboard.org and you have to sign in. Mine's going to look a little bit different than you guys because I have the teacher side of things, but you sign with your username, your password, and once you're into the College Board account, you will see under your name you can go to Account Settings, and under Account Settings, you want to go down. They're going to need you to verify your password again at this point sometimes. So you're going to re-verify that. Now you got your profile here. If you scroll down towards the bottom, Account Information, you may also elect to manage your email communication preferences. You want to click on this here, and you want to make sure that you have this box. Yes, please send me updates and information about College Board and College Board deadlines, dates, related programs, service checked. If you have that unchecked, we believe that may be the easiest and major cause for why some of you are not getting the College Board emails. So you want to make sure that's checked, and if it wasn't checked, check it and then submit changes, and you should begin receiving the communications at that point from the College Board. So I just want to try that first. If you haven't gotten the emails at this point, it's no big deal. I've kind of provided you with the information that they have as well. But beginning about next Wednesday, we're going to start to get a lot more information as far as how the actual online platform is going to work for the AP exam on May 21st. So I have a training to attend next Wednesday evening with the head of advanced placement. He's doing the online training. And after that Wednesday meeting, I'll have more information. You guys will actually be getting to those emails, from what we've been told, to your College Board email address. You'll be getting some information about how to log in and practice using the platform that we're going to use on May 21st for the exam. So you guys definitely want to make sure that you are testing that out. And we'll talk more about that as we get closer to the exam itself. So if you have not been getting the College Board emails, please take a moment to log on your College Board account. Take a look and see if you have that receive communications box checked or not. And if you don't, make sure you check that. And if that doesn't solve the problem for some of you guys, we will move on to other solutions, which may require you to contact the College Board directly, but we'll use that as kind of a last resort, okay? Talk to you guys later. Bye.